8th Standard English, Term 1 Book, Unit 1 Supplementary. Corbett, a hunter turned naturalist. The name of the character only in Corbett. Okay, let us see that this story. Edward James Corbett, popularly known as Jim Corbett, was a British wildlife photographer, hunter, tracker, naturalist, and writer. He has multiple talent: hunter, tracker, naturalist, and writer. And also, he is a photographer. He has hunted a number of man-eating tigers and leopards in India. He has hunted a number of man-eating tigers. He's a good talent to hunt the man-eating tigers and leopards in India. He had a lot of experience with tigers and other wild animals to shoot with his cine film camera. He had lot of experience to shoot with his cine film camera because he is a photographer, and also he has good experience how to shoot the tigers, man-eating tigers. Corbett always preferred to hunt alone and on foot. Always he wants to shoot alone to the tiger and on foot. He often hunted with Robin. Robin is one of his friend and his dog. Though he was an expert hunter, he admired wildlife. He didn't like to kill wild animals for pleasure or sport. Actually, Corbett doesn't like wild animals for pleasure or sport, but he did not hesitate to kill man-eating tigers. At the same time, he did not hesitate to kill man-eating tiger or leopards. He hunted these animals only to help people and only at the request of the government. Only the government asked to Corbett want to shoot the tigers because the tigers are eating the man. So that's why Corbett wants to kill the tigers. He took no joy from the kill. When he was killing the tigers, he didn't get any happy. He often said that not against the law of nature, but against the laws of humans. He always think about the human beings. If there is an human beings hurt by the tigers, immediately he wants to shoot that tiger. Okay. According to this theory, a tiger start eating humans when they grow old or get hurt. As they cannot run fast, they start killing humans. Yes, as they cannot run fast, the human beings can't run fast, they start killing humans, then easily just get the human being, then eat it. People cannot run as fast as animals. People cannot run as fast as animals, so they become easy prey, so that the tigers easily prey means just something have to eat. After eating human flesh once, after eating human flesh means that muscles, humans muscles once, a tiger will not eat any other flesh. Once the tigers eat the human's muscles, the tigers wants to eat the human beings muscles, and then tiger will not eat any other flesh, any other muscles. These tigers are called man eaters. How they are called? Man eaters. His first man-eating tiger hunt was the Champawat tiger. His first man-eating tiger hunt was the Champawat tiger. First of all, the first tiger died. The tiger named the Champawat tiger. It was a Bengal tigers, the female tiger. It was a Bengal tigers responsible for nearly 436 deaths in Nepal and the Kumaon area of India. Her attacks have been listed in the Guinness Book of World Records as the highest number of fatalities from a tiger. Fatalist means occurrence of death by accident from a tiger. She was shot in 1907 by Jim Corbett. In these Bengal tigers, that is Champawat tiger, very famous tiger. Okay, she refers the tiger's female tiger was shot in 1907 by Jim Corbett. Okay, thank you.